So let's go into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our life, in our business, that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. Would you like to go first, or would you like me to?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Go ahead.
I am going to give a little shout out to my favorite widget. And if you're an agent out there, you appreciate this and understand. But Homesnap is my absolute favorite app. And it's an app that it's made for realtors, so we can search each other, look up our records, who you're working with, find houses, find everything around it. It's like Zillow on steroids for me, and I used it so much. And then this year, they took it away. So there's a back way to still get Homesnap if you need it.
Tell me how.
I will tell you how. So is this going to be okay to do on the podcast? Can we release this?
I mean,
it's like animal style at In-N-Out.
Yeah.
People need to know.
Homes.com, we're not mad at you.
No. Same company.
But yeah, Homes.com bought them out.
Yep.
Good on them. And I don't know. Tell us how to find it.
I don't know. I don't want it to go away. So don't maybe just whisper this to your friends instead of just like getting it viral. But basically you can open up the old emails if you've been in the business for a little bit. They send you things after you close deals, and you can still open up your app that way. So we've been sharing that with each other. It's just so much more handy. I hope that Homes.com takes some of those features that used to be there, but it helps me do my job so much.
And I think that's the plan. I
hope so.
I don't know.
But we'll see. But until then,
that's how you can find a rabbit on another team. Like, all right, I'm chasing you now.
Yes.
So my widget of the week, we've done this before. We love this company. We love this product. Allows you to see the most important numbers in your business. Obviously, number of transactions, GCI, volume done. But we also have it broken down to appointments met, all sorts of things we have broken down in here, and you can sort it from different leaderboards and reports. I tried to make my own version of this once for something very, very specific. I failed miserably. They have it. I don't know why I tried it.
Yeah, that would be hard to create that.
It's an entire company for a reason.
Yeah.
And this is Sisu. So we're big fans of Sisu.
Sisu.
Sisu, not the mythical dragon from Disney Channel.
Okay.
I've got kids, so we watch Raya and the Last Dragon, and then Sisu. Anyways, but Sisu, and what's really cool about it is we have them on Chrome bits around the office in our different offices.
So fun.
So they have a dashboard function where it just cycles through how many met appointments this month, how many year-to-date closings, all sorts of really cool things.
And that is how I changed my last year. So I would literally look at Sisu, see my little face up there the first time I got to like the top 5, and I almost fell out of my chair. And I was like, I'm going to stay there. I'm going to stay there, and I have to look at it like every day, every week, and see where it's going, because it just helps you visualize it. So now it's around our office, and it's on your phone too. So
very cool.
It's a good one.
Jen, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
you for watching.
Thank you,
We
guys.
will see you all next week.
Okay, bye.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.